Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning new recipes. This is another Sicilian garlic bread pizza, but this one's for vegan people, for the vegan lifestyle. I respect all lifestyles and food choices. Plus, I'm a person that actually likes to taste different lifestyles, and I'm open to everything. We're all different. We all have our likes and our opinions, but the vegan lifestyle is good too. I like a lot of their food, and this is dedicated to them, so I'm making a vegan pizza for them. So I have the really good vegan cheese, garlic bread, roasted tomatoes, pesto, and pizza sauce, all organic. So we're going to take this garlic bread, put it in the pan, and then we'll make just a traditional cheese pizza and then a pesto pizza with roasted tomatoes. So this is your Friday upload. Alright, so we have the garlic bread. I cut that in half. And now you're going to take each piece. Well, I should have got a bigger pan for this one. You got to put it in the pan right there, and we're going to cook it on low. We just want to get the garlic bread a little bit toasted. And then, like I said, we'll drain the butter, and we'll put it in a pot with a cover, just like the other one I posted on YouTube the other day. Alright, so this is what happens when you do live recording and no edit. Like I said many times, and you know it's another tagline, I don't like to edit. I like to keep it real. If I make mistakes, I make mistakes. If I do good things, I do good. But we're not perfect, so I switched out that pan. And you can see that I'm going to cook these pieces of garlic bread in the pan, and let the butter melt. You can see the butter melt. And like when we're done, we'll drain this. And wipe the pan clean, and then we'll use it to steam it to melt the cheese and warm the sauce. But this is the same way as the other Sicilian garlic bread pizza I posted the other day. This is just the vegan option. So make sure this pan is on medium or kick it down to low. Alright, I wish you could smell this and really see it sizzle, but look at that. It's sizzling. And look at that nice garlic bread. Alright, so we're going to turn this off, and we'll put it on our plate, and we'll build the stuff on top. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's the garlic bread, and there's the pizza sauce and the pesto. So on the left side we're going to put pizza sauce, and on the right side pesto. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, I have that down. I have the pizza sauce on the one on the left, and I have the basil pesto on the right. So this is the vegan option. And now we're going to take this really good cheese. I've had it on other pizzas before, and I've been in stores and they did taste tests, and it's pretty good. So that's the vegan mozzarella. So the thing is, you're going to want to do is just spread that on there. The thing is, it's not going to melt as good as mozzarella, but I'll tell you, this is a pretty good alternative, and it tastes pretty good. So the thing you're going to want to do is place that cheese on both garlic breads, and then after that we'll top the right one with the roasted tomatoes, and we'll put it back in the pan. I cleaned the pan so it's ready to steam and everything. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, so we just put that cheese on there. And now on the right side we'll throw on a couple roasted tomatoes that are in olive oil. Alright, so we're back. We put the roasted tomatoes on there. And now we're going to put it to the pan and put the cover on. And then we're done, and we'll have our vegan Sicilian pizzas. Alright, so we got the pizzas in that one pan. We're going to put the cover on, Keep it on medium, and then you're going to use the steam and heat to melt the cheese and just to warm the sauce. Alright, so we got those pizzas in there, and now we're just going to use the heat and steam to melt that cheese. It'll only take a couple minutes. Just carefully watch it, and then we're done, and then we'll just plate it. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, that's it. I took it out of the pan, and you can see that the cheese melted. It's harder to melt than mozzarella, but it's good for vegan choice and everything. I could have probably cooked the cheese a little bit longer, but for my taste, this is pretty good. It's like chewy, and so that's your Friday upload. This is towards the vegan people for your lifestyle, and everyone be safe. I'll see you Monday. Peace out. Dansoy, amateur cook.